everyone, I'm Jennifer Lau. I'm Master Gardener here at English Gardens. Today I'm going to show you another plant that needs very little attention. I understand if you didn't know plants like this existed, but they do. This is the ZZ plant. It's not terribly bushy, it's rather architectural. The leaves are naturally shiny like this. This is a clean, modern look. Just set it inside of a sharp-looking pot and place it darn near anywhere. To be clear, all plants prefer a little sun energy, but this girl will adapt to almost no light. And when I tell you it doesn't even need a lot of water, I'm telling you the truth. I water this tabletop size, maybe once every couple of weeks. And don't even think about watering this larger floor-sized version more than once a month. Remember that watering doesn't mean a tablespoon of water. Give it enough till a little water comes out the bottom. That way all the roots in here get a chance to drink. It is a slow grower, but maybe that kind of makes sense to you now that you hear how little sun and water it needs. Sometimes we just need a plant like this in our home or office. Plants do make us feel better and they bring life to a space, but caring for it maybe just always isn't in the cards. So I hope you take a look at the ZZ plant. You can do this. Call us anytime, always here to help you go and make life beautiful.